There's a big fish. I don't know what it is. I think it's a mudfish. To be honest with you. I think it's a mudfish. There's a lot of them. Just watch the line. Look the camera over. Wait till you see this fish. I think it's a mudfish, and it's a big one. Huge. Big old giant mudfish. Pliers for this guy. Look how big that guy is, huh? Wait till I get my pliers right here. Actually, oh, wait a second. I gotta wait. Look at all the slime. See the slime?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.